Hi friends, this video shows how to allow installation of apps from unknown sources and fix app not installed error. First go to settings, then select my Fire TV, then select about, then select Fire TV stick. On this option we need to press OK or select button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Developer option has been enabled. Let me go back. Then under this about, here we can see developer options. Select it. So these are the developer options. Here we can see two options, ADB debugging and install unknown apps. So let me select install unknown apps. So here we can see 3 apps. If you are not seeing any apps in your case, you have to install apps from App Store. So here I have installed 3 file manager apps or file explorer app from App Store. So I am going to select one app from this list. Then I am going to allow that app to install Android APK file from unknown sources. So let me select Explore app, then enable it. Okay, done. So now using this Explore app, I can install Android APK file from unknown sources. We can copy APK file in a pen drive and connect to TV, or we can transfer APK file using Wi-Fi to this Fire TV. Then we can install that APK file using this Explore File Manager app. If you want to give same permission to another app in the list, just select the app, then enable it. See, now I have enabled, I have allowed all these 3 apps to install Android APK file from unknown source. So if you want to disable, just disable like this. Okay, so this way we can allow installation of app from unknown sources and fix app not installed error.